Hello everyone, today I will show you how to turn any website into a desktop app using Chrome. This creates a standalone windows for this site so it behaves like a regular app on your laptop. I will demonstrate with YouTube and ChatGPT. Open Chrome and search for ChatGPT. When the ChatGPT page opens, click on three dots at the top right corner of Chrome and find the cache save and share. You will see install page as app. Click on install. Now ChatGPT will open in a new app window. It looks just like a normal desktop app. ChatGPT app shortcut will be added automatically to the desktop screen. If you want to uninstall it, open ChatGPT window, click the three dots again at the top and choose uninstall ChatGPT app. Now let's try another website, YouTube. Open Chrome again and go to the YouTube. Once YouTube opens, click the three dots on the top right corner, go to Cache, Save and Share and click on the install page as app. You will see install YouTube. Click on install. Now YouTube will open in a new window just like standalone app. A shortcut will also appear on your desktop, so you can open YouTube directly anytime without opening the browser. If you want to uninstall it, open the YouTube app window, click the three dots at the top and choose uninstall YouTube. That's it. You have learned how to install and uninstall website as desktop app using Chrome new feature. Do not forget to like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe for more new tech updates.